Make it rain, brother.
Today's celebration is a welcome back to all our staff for a great school year, 2022-2023, and to celebrate coming back in person, and most of all, to show our appreciation to our staff with the 4% raise across the board, $4,000, $500 for a Christmas stipend, $10 towards the insurance. It is a great way to start our new school year.
We hadn't done this in almost 3 years because of the COVID. The COVID behind us, hopefully. And this is a way to get our staff together and get on the same page and get on the same mission and get them motivated to get started for a good school year. This was awesome. I've been a superintendent for a year and a half. I had experienced this as a superintendent. So it's about getting us in the right spirit, in the right mind frame for a new school year.
It was exciting, and yes, simply the best. Why? Why simply the best? Because we know and we feel that we have the best teachers, the best principals, the best students, the best community, and it's a showcase of the very best at ECISD.
Tuesday night, the board approved a 4% raise across to everyone, including the teachers, making the teachers the highest paid teachers in the Rio Grande Valley, from no years experience to 30 plus. So we're excited. We think that the teachers are what we're all about. If we don't have good teachers, we don't have a good system, period.